you know, 9 treatment sessions ito. So here, again, okay. So, diretso. You know, again, there. Diretso, sige yun.
Dira.
Kanain po dito, no? So here, ang iyang right to, makakubot na siya. There. Tawa po diyan kanana, no? So, grabe yan yung tension. Which, yung heart, i-pump ni pagkakayo, pero muna ni recovery ka na, no? So, sa may was hospital, clear naman, no? Again, there you are. Okay. So, lagi mo yung kuha ni, no? Mga ko lagi sa pangan dili. Okay, good. Nusok, kanana, no? Muna siya, tension, resistance, or break, no? By which muna, yung heart, kusog ka pump, kaya recovery yung mga muscles, no? Good. Again, kaya nakakaon o blood, no? Who pumps the blood? The heart, no? Again, so here, nakakumo na si Chod speak up, no? Pasakit hindi kayo, really sorry, but ayaw ko rin, no? There. Good. So, not good. Okay, one more minute. So, mas gabi siya tension karon, no? Pangitan, gana, no? Then, we do it, 5 minutes lang. Good. There you are. So, muna yung recover nito, no? Again, muna yung recover. By which, nakaon ng blood. Okay, ito na. Ito, again, so grabe yung tension, ha? And si Greenberg, no? Relax. Okay, no? So, makita niyo, again, that's almost 5 minutes to. Then, tension 2 to, ha? Tension 2, again, congrats kay Nicho, no? So, makita mo yung face, no? Again, at educated ang pamilya, no? Again, muna naka-recover Nicho, no? That's a stress test, no? Based on the stress test siya. All in John Hopkins School of Medicine. There, no? Again, thank you. This is our 9 treatment sessions.